In today's lesson, we will talk about area of triangles. We know that the area is the amount of space that an object takes up. We can use the formula for area of a rectangle to find the formula for area of a triangle. We know that the formula for area of a rectangle is base times height. Two triangles make up one rectangle. Here we see the base and the height of this rectangle. We want to find half of the area of one of the rectangles. So we are going to find half of the area which forms a triangle. What is the formula for the area of a triangle? That formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. We divide by 2 since we're finding half of the area of a rectangle. Remember to use this formula from your reference material. Let's try one. Find the area of this triangle. We know that the formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. We know that the base is 11. And just like in the parallelogram, the height is on the inside, which is 3. Now, using our worksheet, let's go ahead and show the work. Find the area of this triangle. The figure is a triangle. The facts or dimensions are that the base is 11 and the height is 3. The formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. We fill in that formula by saying area equals 1/2 11 times 3. We need to find half of 33. And half of 33 is 16.5. Therefore, the area is 16.5 centimeters squared. You will work on some of these problems on your own. Reference the example page from your worksheet. Area equals base times height divided by 2, or area equals 1/2 base times height to find the area of a triangle. For this example, we know the base is 2 and the height is 5. 2 times 5 divided by 2 is going to be 10 divided by 2. And 10 divided by 2 is going to give us 5 centimeters squared. Now try one on your own. Pause the video and see if you can understand how to find area of this triangle. Alrighty, let's discuss. We know the figure is a triangle. Our dimensions, our facts, is that the base is 50 and the height is 40. The formula is area equals 1/2 base times height. If I fill in that formula, that's 1/2 50 times 40. We know that 50 times 40 is 2,000, and half of 2,000 is going to give us 1,000 centimeters squared. You will work on a partner practice with your partner. Partner A will do the even and partner B will do the odd. You will get the answers from your teachers when you're done. Have a great day.